Hi, this is Victoria.
And Luke.
And this is EE329 A8 demo. This is the code, this is main, so there's a while loop and it checks for if the button's pressed. And if it's pressed, then it turns the relay on. This is UART, the initialization code, print code. It didn't really change from A7. This is UART.h. This is ADC. So here's the initialization. There's an interrupt request as well, and for all 20 of the samples, it takes them, adds them, and divides them to get the average, and then for the smallest value it prints it as minimum, and for the biggest value it prints it as maximum. And then for counting to millivolts, there's some math and dividing here, as well as the calibration, and this is just to print all the characters, and this is ADC.h. Here is the first part of the demo, and this is just checking for the voltage from the analog to digital converter. With the offset being 0, it's 0 volts. Change it to 1. At 1, it's measuring around 1 volt. 2, it's measuring at around 2 volts. 3, it's measuring around 3 volts. And then you can try another one, which is like 2.7. It's measuring around 2.7 volts. There's the wiring for the second part of the demo. My oscilloscope is also reading over VRE. Here's when the button isn't being pressed. And here's when the button is being pressed. You can see that the coil current is 0.021 amps, and the VRE reading from the oscilloscope is 221 millivolts.